Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain issue on iPhone after update iOS 16.5. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn on reduce motion. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility, tap motion, turn on reduce motion. Solution number 2. Turn on low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, turn on low power mode. Solution number 3. Turn on auto brightness. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap display and text size. Scroll down, turn on auto brightness. Solution number 4. Turn off background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general, tap background app refresh. Again tap, select off. Solution number 5. Turn off rise to wake. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap display and brightness. Scroll down, turn off rise to wake. Solution number 6. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.